This shit crazy as hell, man. This shit crazy. Motherfucking Yearn financing everything. You know, that shit a part of Ethereum and all that. So if you went in, you just missed out. This bitch, I'm literally looking. I'm just talking to my partner about that shit the other day. I'm like, man, this shit a lit. That shit went from like 50 to 96 bands. Them niggas eating, dog. I'm recording that motherfucker eating. I'm giving this shit to y'all raw. I couldn't believe I logged back in. I'm like, oh, fuck no. This shit, like, so that mean if your ass had 200 M's in there, but you looking at about a good 350, 375, easy. The motherfucker double. Remember, this shit was at like 45, 48, maybe hovering around under 50. This shit just went to 96. Nigga, them billionaire moves, them niggas feasting. You talking about niggas becoming emperors? They becoming emperors, and y'all missing out. I'm gonna put the screenshot right here in that empty space that needs some art. I'm gonna put the screenshot right there. I'm gonna show y'all this shit. Look, this shit, I'm gonna show y'all the first 24 hours, which is today. Today is May 11th, I believe. It's like Tuesday, like, you know, I don't know what time it is, but it's like Tuesday. I'm gonna put the screenshot right here off of CoinBase, the exchange, and I'm gonna put the week screenshot. These niggas are man. If you ain't in this shit already, you missing out. Like, I keep telling everybody, get in cryptocurrency. If the banks are in it and you not in it, you dumb. Like you gotta be dumb. They feeding this shit like this goddamn dog full as fuck. These niggas eat. Look, the other week they took off 200 billion. I think it was like either 200 billion. It had to be 200 million, 200 billion. Don't quote me on this shit. Just go look it up. They took that shit off last week. They don't know where the fuck that shit went. It's them billionaires, man. These niggas emperors and they living. I don't know how the fuck they doing that shit, but I'm trying to get on their frequency, dog. That billionaire lifestyle shit. Y'all go look at that shit and check that shit out. I'm telling you, bro. Them niggas eating.